Okay, well, right now it is bedtime hours, so we're trying to be really quiet. This is what day is it? Day 6 of college life. Okay.
Are we counting Monday?
Yes.
If we count Monday, it
Yes.
says Monday.
Just keep doing the homework.
We're staying up.
So yeah, we're staying up past our
I
bedtime.
know, because we got a quiz tomorrow, and we're stupid, and we didn't do it. And we still got to read, and they still got a lot of shit to do. And he got them doing it.
See, he's doing my homework for me. Anyways, yeah, Marcos is asleep already. Oh,
The night.
okay, here, record me. I gotta tell a story. Alright, so I found out Marcos is my cousin.
Damn. Dun dun dun, right?
Yeah, dun dun dun. Man. Like, I don't know. When I came here the first day, I saw Hernandez, Marcos Hernandez, and I was like, that's not my cousin. He can't be related to me. There's a lot of Hernandezes out there.
Ain't there? A lot of better ones too.
And then like, I started talking to my cousin, my little cousin, my second cousin.
Oh, second cousin.
Yeah.
Let me sit down, because I want to hear it too.
Alright. So, yeah, I was talking to my little cousin, and I guess she added Marcos on the internet, on Facebook. And I asked her, hey, how come you added Marcos? And then she was like, oh, he's family too, didn't you know that? And I was like, what? Like seriously, dude, like, I never had family. I never had family in school with me.
Damn.
And here I am, 20 years later, I find out he's my cousin?
In a college that holds like
In
20,000 students.
Yeah, in a college that holds 20,000 students.
I know,
found my
right?
cousin. He's my sweetmeat. Come on.
Damn.
That's random.
That is.
So I started getting more information out of it, and it turns out that his dad is my mom's cousin.
Okay.
So yeah, it was insane. I made him call his dad.
Yeah, you did make him call his dad.
Yep. We're officially related.
This is really not. You could, get hugs and everything.
Yeah, dude. I was like,
No.
I never been so shocked in my life.
No, take a moment.
Stop the camera. Okay, no, just kidding. But yeah, he's my cousin now. So yeah, we're gonna go. Marcos is asleep right now. He's been tired.
But
So
you don't care.
So
You're
we're gonna,
family.
yeah, we're family. We're gonna walk in. You're still up?
Yeah, I really want to sleep.
Are you serious?
Yeah, I was using a laptop.
Oh.
Hey, he's family there.
Huh? Yeah. So this is my my cousin.
He's going to bed. Give him a hug.
Yeah. So what'd you think about that, dude?
Oh, what?
About us being cousins?
You know what's spooky?
What?
Remember when you were asking questions? You asked him like two, like going more personal. Like you are, predicting you guys were gonna.
Shut up.
Already.
So what do you think about it, dude?
I don't know, it was crazy, man. I didn't even know.
I didn't know either until my little cousin was all like, yeah, he's your cousin. So I was like, what the fuck?
What's the voice inside of me telling me?
I don't know, but that's weird, dude. It's just like, I was shocked.
Hey, can you see?
Yeah, I can see you. Yeah.
Can you see?
But you're blue. See? You're blue. Night vision. But yeah, so yeah, we're gonna let Marcos go to we're gonna let Marcos
Say hi to your family. Did they see this video? Rest of them.
Hi, family.
Alright, well, good night, Marcos.
Alright, good night.
We're gonna go bug. Oh, hey, Jacob's doing my homework.
Alright.
Yeah.
Alright, well, good night.
Hey, you should lock him outside. You should lock him in your room. Lock the bathroom door.
So yeah, pretty insane day.
Jacob didn't say nothing.
What?
Get him to say something. Get him to do that.
That's it?
So
What problem are you on?
Yeah, what problem are you on?
Still the first one.
What the fuck?
You have to write it out.
What the fuck? What the fuck?
Is it
Alright, well,
difficult for you or what?
Say good night. Say good night to the camera.
Yay.
Say good night.
Good night.
Well, this concludes our presentation.